Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Not gonna lie, this video was not very fun for me as I hate laundry, but get ready, buckle up for some extreme laundry motivation. That is why you're here. This laundry took me all day. Literally all day. I thought it was going to be a 2-day laundry motivational video because there was just so much happening. So I'm just starting off by sorting the loads of laundry. I do not normally do this, but for today's video I am. So stay tuned. I will talk a little bit about my laundry routine a little bit later in the video, but we're gonna hop right on into the motivation. So I'm going ahead and taking everything off of my bed so we can wash our sheets and my comforter. So that's what we're kind of doing here. This was not going to be part of my video today, but I figured since I was doing all of the laundry anyway, I may as well throw this in as well. So this ended up being a solid week worth of laundry. And so my laundry routine usually consists of doing one load of laundry a day. That includes putting it in the washer, putting it in the dryer, and folding one load a day. However, this week just kind of got past me. And so there was so much laundry that needed to be done. And so that is why there ended up being 7 loads of laundry for me to do this day. And it ended up being an all-day thing. But this is not my normal routine. I would love to know, let me know in the comments, how often do you do your laundry? Do you usually keep up with it and do one a day, or do you do your laundry once a week instead of keeping up with it daily? Let me know what you prefer. To be honest, this was very overwhelming for me and I did not enjoy it at all, but I must admit the aftermath of it was pretty satisfying.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, watch all night, watch all night. Why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost
Hey guys, so I wanted to check in. I had to pour myself a cup of coffee here because there is not enough coffee in the world today for how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna go and throw in this next load of laundry and then start folding the other stuff. In case you're wondering, I hate laundry.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
So for my laundry products, I am just using everything fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. As my family and I, we all have super sensitive skin, so I try to stay away from fragrance, and especially when it comes to our laundry. And so I'm just using the Tide pods. The only thing that changes is I will wash like our sheets on delicate and stuff like that. But other than that, I just use the normal feature of my washer and dryer. And fun fact, I don't normally sort my laundry either, which if you've ever seen me do laundry in any of my other videos, I just kind of put towels in with my other clothes. The only time I sort laundry is if I buy brand new clothes, or if they are, you know, really colorful and stuff like that, then I will put them with like colors for the first 1 or 2 washes. But other than that, I usually do not sort my laundry. But when it comes to doing like an all-day laundry day, you kind of have to sort. And so I did obviously end up sorting at the beginning of the video like you saw, but this is not part of my normal routine. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Let me know in the comments if you sort your laundry or not.
Fun in doing what you're told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always
Okay, so no matter how much I clean these pillows, they are stained from my pillowcases, and so I'm on the hunt for new pillows. I don't know, these ones were just from like Walmart or something. They were super inexpensive. I actually like love them and I would get them again, but I don't know if there is a pillow out there that I like must have. So let me know in the comments if you love your pillow and what kind you have. I like fluffy and my husband likes flat, so we kind of need like a mix of the two, but let me know if you have one that you personally love yourself. I would love to know. Moving on, we are throwing in load number 5.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
And if you are still watching and you haven't already, I would love if you gave this video a thumbs up. It does really help out my channel and just helps to boost the video so that other people can see it. So if you're enjoying it, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Say hi in the comments. I love chatting with you guys. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe for more lifestyle content. I do tons of cleaning and homemaking motivation here on my channel. And if you guys are enjoying this laundry motivation, then I can definitely add more of that into my videos as well. So it is a lot later in the day now. I am just getting the last 2 loads done and switched over, and my daughter ended up helping me with this. I thought it was so sweet how she came down and wanted to throw the laundry in, so of course I encouraged it. This obviously is not child labor or anything. She wanted to help me. I do not force my children to do laundry or anything like that. They are way too little for that. The most I would do is get them to help me sort the socks if they wanted to, and if they didn't, then that is fine too. But I am all about encouraging them to help me when they want. So just wanted to kind of put that out there.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah.
Alright guys, there you have it, my 7 loads of laundry. I can't even believe it. So I hope that this gave you guys all of the cleaning motivation. That was pretty extreme if you ask me, but I hope that you guys loved it and enjoyed it. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never